I'm fascinated by what's happening on these screens. What is CAD and why is it integral to the college?
Okay, so CAD is computer-aided drawings. It is a very versatile software. It is used by most engineers and architects, and in fact it's used by most designers throughout the world. We use AutoCAD at the college, and the reason for that, it is the industry leader. We want our learners to be current and to be using software that is mostly used throughout the world. Lastly, for the CAD part, we start AutoCAD in grade 8 to matric, basically only for engineering, graphics and design learners. This year we've changed over a little bit. We now are using AutoCAD for general purposes. So I've started over the last couple of weeks teaching grade 8 and grade 9, just general design. And then lastly, why is it integral to the offering at the college? Our college is renowned for technology and the relationship, or the, how can I say, yeah, the relationship between technology and education. And for me, AutoCAD works or encapsulates the entire Parkland's mind. It involves 2D and 3D design, and we have amazing technology at the college in the sense that we can draw in 2D, and we've got a laser cutter, so we can take 2D drawings and make them into 3D objects. We also can design in 3D, and we can use our 3D printers around the college and print 3D objects. And then lastly, we have in the new Innovation Center, the holodeck. And that's going to take AutoCAD into a whole new dimension. We can use augmented reality, we can use virtual reality, and we can use something, I think it's new, well, new to me, mixed reality. So in augmented reality, we could take our design and place it in a real world situation. In virtual reality, we could design a moving object and look at it before it's been built. And then in mixed reality, we can actually take the object, we can touch it, move it around, and see for look for imperfections. And yeah, so I think in that sense, with the latest technology at the college, AutoCAD is by far the most amazing design software around.
Sounds fantastic. And you're really guiding the learners into a profession.
Yes. So on that, our learners are streets ahead of anyone else, at school and at university. We've only had compliments from our past learners when it comes to using the software at university and at the workplace. So yeah, we're definitely giving the learners the best when it comes to this type of software.
And keeping them updated with all the latest.
Yeah.
Fantastic, thank you.